Namaskar, I am Akhil Srivastava and I welcome you all in the daily weather briefing of India Meteorology Department. We will see today, that is on 15th of June, how was the weather during past 24 hours and what we expect in terms of weather during next 1 week. If we talk about rainfall activity during past 24 hours, heavy to very heavy rainfall with extremely heavy rainfall was seen at isolated places over South Himalayan, West Bengal, Konkani and Goa, coastal Karnataka. If we talk about the main weather features which are impacting India today, then there was cyclonic circulation over northwest Bay of Bengal and neighborhood, which is tilting southwestward with height. There's also cyclonic circulation over west central Bay of Bengal off north coastal Andhra Pradesh coast. There's a cyclonic circulation over south Madhya Maharashtra and neighborhood that extend up to upper tropospheric levels. Today, western disturbance is located around longitude 70 degree east to the north of 26 degree north latitude. So, if you talk about the monsoon rainfall activity which is continuing over southern parts of the country, it is likely to be in active phase with heavy to very heavy rainfall activity at a few places and extremely heavy rainfall activity, that is more than 20 centimeter rainfall is expected in 24 hours at isolated places over South Peninsula India and Konkani Goa till 16th of June 2025. If we talk about weather warning, so if we talk about today, that is 15th of June, then we are expecting heavy to very heavy rainfall activity with isolated extremely heavy rainfall activity over Konkani and Goa, coastal Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Ghat areas of Tamil Nadu and Kerala. If we talk about color-coded warning, then for these regions, red alert has been issued. If we talk about 16th of June, that is tomorrow, then we are expecting heavy to very heavy rainfall activity with isolated extremely heavy rainfall activity to continue over Konkani and Goa and coastal Karnataka. Accordingly, red alert has been issued. Over Gujarat, Madhya Maharashtra, in South Interior Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and the Odisha, Jharkhand, we are expecting isolated places to receive heavy to very heavy rainfall activity and accordingly orange alert has been issued.